Ready for a ride?
When I said supersize me, I didn't mean the motorcycle.
You're looking at the world's solid rideable motorcycle. It was in the Guinness Records in June of '05 and in the '07 World Guinness Record books. I always had these bright ideas. One of them, I wanted to build a motorcycle to run over a car. So I actually did. I actually crushed a small truck with it. And then you can't have the world's largest motorcycle with a little dinky motor, so I put a 502 motor in it that has about 500 horsepower. Tire size is 78 by 35.5 by 32s. Right now they're actually 36 inches wide and 74 inches tall. It's like riding on top of an 8-foot step ladder. It weaves a lot, bobbles around, and now, because I'm not a good rider, I keep the training wheels on.
Why, Gregory? Why?
Why not? You gotta dream big, right? That was fun, I like it.